So, hello, once again I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. As always, I'm recording and streaming locally and streaming today on the Twitch service. Let's check out the Vivaldi browser if everything is working well. So here we are, Twitch. Yes, it does. Nice. So yeah, once again I'm back on Pop! OS 24.04 LTS Cosmic, and let me show you the system information through the system settings first, through the GUI. Here we are, system, about, boom, 32 gigabytes RAM, 2 terabytes SSD storage, CPU's AMD Ryzen 9 6900X, HX, sorry. GPU is also an AMD Radeon RX 6800M. As I said, Pop! OS 24.04 LTS. Kernel is 7011 something Cosmic Wayland. And now onto the terminal. Here we are. Let's zoom in. Like this is fine. You can pause the stream or later on the YouTube video to take a good look at your own pace. Pay attention in the screen resolution. It's full 4K 3840 by 2160 running at 120 Hz. However, as you will soon see, although I'm recording and streaming at full 4K, it's just 30 FPS. And the rest of the system, as I said, pause the video, the stream, and take a good look. Back to the normal. Let me show you the system, the OBS settings. Here we are. Boom. Video, full 4K, 30 FPS. Output. I'm using hardware encoders for the audio and the video. For the audio, FMPEG AAC, and for the video, FMPEG VAPI H.264, 16,000 bitrate, and for the file, I'm using MKV. So yeah, once again back in Pop! OS Cosmic, Vivaldi browser, in order to show you a few things from the official website. Here we are. Pop! OS, you are in control. Unleash your potential on a Linux operating system made to be productive and personal. I don't know about that. Remains to be seen is all I say. Meet Pop! OS, 1 million, over 1 million people love using Pop! OS. Good for them. Not my cup of tea. Anyway, back to the Cosmic website. Cosmic, foundational software for designing beautiful user experiences. Use it on your own favorite distro. I tried it on PKOS, no go. It was a terrible mistake. But yeah, I'm trying on the Pop! OS itself, and I'm not that glad either. Anyway, much better than the first time around, but no go. Please no. I'm sure that maybe eventually it will be great, but not today. Anyway, as you can see, I finally managed my cursor factory. I wasn't sure about yesterday when I left the stream, but 100% it works. Cursor bind. You can create a new one or select an existing one. We are going to create a new one. Let's just select the folder for the source. Let's go. Let's do the yellow red. I'll just delete the star. And go for this one. Yellow and red. Boom. The only tricky part about this one is that you must relog or restart the system in order to work properly, because for whatever reason the system just doesn't care. No matter what I was trying, it just doesn't care. However, I'm pretty sure that now if I will relog or restart, it will all go well. Here it is, the cursor set. I'll open them up a few, not all of them, because it takes a little bit. I'll just open a few inside GIMP. Just a few. Boom. Yellow, red. Work accomplished. So yeah, basically it works, besides this silly thing that you have to relog. Other than that, it just works, finally. I accomplished that as well. So wallpaper jumper is done, cursor factory is done. Theming. As far as the theming goes, I tried not to fight the system just yet. And by fight I mean rip myself apart, mostly because the system, yeah, just not my cup of tea. Anyway, here it is basically. Just some minor attention in the fixes terminal. It's just more clean now, polished I think, better size, I prefer this size. Also the theme, if you can pay attention, I have new icons here, as you can see. And then this is how they appear to be on this, how can I call it, launcher? I'm not sure how can I call it. Better. I think these icons are better. But yeah, perhaps not for most of you, but for me they work just fine. Anyway, and the other thing, I tried through using the Cosmic tweaks for Cosmic, sorry. I tried this one. I downloaded these 4 themes. Here is the deal. Not what I want, not what I need, but better than the default theme. So at the moment I'm using Suite. I will open up a couple apps to see what is happening. Here we are. And pay attention. I will switch to Dusklight. And as you can see, only this one changes. Because my guess is that everything that is a system app, maybe system settings as well, yes. So these apps change dynamically as soon as you select the theme. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. I like it. But I would like to be able to mess around with the themes much more. But still, this is fantastic. And then DaVinci Resolve, cool stuff. And this part I like. And if I can use it somehow to switch between dark and light, I haven't tried this, I didn't have much time to try this. This one I like a lot. But for example, if you go here, desktop appearance, it has this option here, but I'm not sure if I can point one theme for dark and another theme for light. I will try this one and we'll see tomorrow. Anyway, so yeah, this part I like. I can select a theme that I have downloaded from the internet. It's special made for Cosmic, of course. And I can change at least the colors, how it appears to be, the main things of the thing. But still I haven't found the way to change the decorations, to move them on the left side. I just can't stand on the right side the decorations. And I still have problem with, do you remember that I changed the Flatpaks yesterday? Well, as you can see, after the restart, they went to the right side of the screen. And of course, I didn't have the time to play around with this kind of Flatpaks, but we will get there, we will get there. I hope. Worst case scenario, I would like to have them use the rest of the system colors at least. But I'm not so sure about it. And yes, so much work to be done. Anyway, so once again, wallpaper jumper is set, cursor factory is set, some customization is underway, we will see. Better than nothing for sure. I have prepared the game in order to, the Final Fantasy XIV game, in order to stress test the system. Most probably I will do that tomorrow. Then DaVinci Resolve is left. And yeah, I don't know about that after that one. Maybe I will just say bye-bye to the system. Anyway, no need to drag this any longer. Hopefully you like what you see, even though I am not impressed or like them myself, but hopefully you like them. I mean, I'm talking about the Pop! OS Cosmic situation. Anyway, I digress. As always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye!